my first order for the day. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $20 going 9 miles. Only 2 items. Got a feeling most of this is going to be base pay because I don't see someone tipping very well for just 2 bottles of creamer. Got my next order right away. This is for Carl's Jr. I believe it said $11 going 6 miles. Thank you. You too. Have a good one. Next order up is for Black Rock Coffee. This is $9 and some change going 4 miles.
Alrighty, my friend. Here you are. Stay warm out there, okay?
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Got my next order right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $23 going 6.5 miles, 8 items. I really love it when customers do not reply when I'm offering substitutes. Really enjoyable. Next order up is for crumble cookies. This is $10 going 5.5 miles.
Thank you.
Total ended up being $14.87 for that order. Pretty good. Got my next order. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $10 going 5.5 miles. Only 1 item.
Which one you let him go because he's holding a lot.
Thank you.
You can just bring that down here.
And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me.
Thank you.
I just got my next order. This is a Chick-fil-A, $12 going 6 miles. Next order just came in. This is a Sherry's, $11 going 5 miles. Order added, $9 and some change, going an additional 4 miles. Perfect, thank you. You too.
Hello. Right out here.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Appreciate
Thank
that.
you.
Have a good day. Got an extra $3 out of that last order. Just got another Sherry's order. This one is $9 and some change, going under 3 miles.
Sorry, did not mean to throw that.
Thank you. Got my next order right away. This is for McDonald's. $11 going just about 4 miles. You kidding me, dude? Jesus. Well, after waiting at that McDonald's for way too long, I think I'm just gonna call it here because I have had enough. Current time is 11:56. Current total is 162. And I have 2 Uber tips yet to come in, so let's say 175-ish. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.